everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome back with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device Realme Narzo 50 Prime. So if in this device you want to download or you want to use a dual WhatsApp, or you can say a clone WhatsApp, like you already have one but you want to download another one, you can easily do it by the method as I will tell you in this video. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the dual WhatsApp in your device. Let's watch the video.